50 Dorinda. This is the Stone Canyon townhome. We have a lot of experience with Stone Canyon townhomes. Screen door. Jenny loves the screen doors for obvious security reasons, but tenants really like to be able to leave the front door open and let fresh air come in without having to worry about pets and kids or security issues. The wall is like a purplish gray, it seems. All of these items would have to be removed. These items on the wall and on the ground. Very minor issue. It just needs to be done. We have laminate counters, enamel sink. We have 3-prong, some storage overhead. Tile looks fine. Oh, yeah. Okay. Replace this light switch here with something neutral. But it's likely that she'll want that removed. These verticals will probably be replaced. Not a big expense, but will make a big difference. Carpet looks good. Overall, from what I've seen, the paint does as well. We have laminate floors up here. Maybe replace that fan with something newer with a light kit. And we have tile in this bathroom. Replace those light bulbs, probably junk this. And probably remove that as well. The blinds are the correct 2.5-inch forward blinds. I would honestly like Jenny's opinion on whether or not they should stay. They just look dirty, but they may be perfectly fine after a good cleaning. Same with this room. Maybe remove that and patch it. This light isn't working. We have vinyl in this bathroom. So replace this with ceramic tile. Get a shower rod. Looking good. Replace those light bulbs. Okay.